The purpose of this short video will be to show how to use branching statements in the Coral simulator. We have outlined a brief program here that is going to apply a stepped discount to a sales amount. So in order to do this, the first thing we'll do is declare our variables. They're both going to be floats because they can be amounts with a decimal point. So sales amount will be the amount that we will input. Discount is going to be the discount that we're going to calculate. First thing we're going to do is to input the value for sales amount. And remember, Coral is very fussy. We have to capitalize the G. And then we're going to perform our computations. We're going to calculate the discount. So we're going to say, and what we're going to do is if the sales amount is $200 or greater, we're going to give them a 10% discount. So we're going to say if the sales amount is greater than or equal to 200, then we're going to set the discount to 10% of that. And we're going to tab in 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. Again, Coral is fussy, has to be exactly 3 spaces. And we're going to set our discount equal to the sales amount multiplied by 10%. And if the sales amount is not greater than or equal to $200, then we are going to take the other branch. And you do that with the else keyword. So we'll say else the discount equals 0. So the first branch, which is if the sales amount is greater than or equal to 200, discount equals sales amount times 10%. This is our positive branch or our yes branch, and this is our true branch, and then this is where we go if it's false. And then we're going to output the results. So we'll keep this simple. We're going to put the sales amount less the discount to output. And again, the P here needs to be capitalized. So if we run this, then we should see our output over here. So let's try it with, say, $250. We'll enter execution, and we'll go ahead and run it. So $225 looks good. Let's try 100. And in that case, we should not get a discount. So it's 100. So it's working okay. Now, we said we want to use a step discount. So a step discount is one where we're going to give them a discount if it's greater than or equal to $100, but less than $200, then they're going to get a 5% discount. So the way you do that in many languages, Coral included, is you have another keyword, and it's called else if. And it's run together as one word. So else if the sales amount is greater than or equal to 100, then we're going to set our discount equal to, well, let's do a sales amount times 0.05, 5%, and that'll give us a 5% discount. So right now, if I were to run this right now, then I should get 5% discount or $95, right? So let's try that. And there's our $95 as expected. So let's try one more case. Let's say it's like $50. So let's try 50, and then in that case, we're not going to see a discount at all, or we shouldn't. And so there's our 50. So as you can see, this program is operating as we expected. And in Zybooks, you will see that they often call this arrangement where you're testing one set at the high end of and then the middle, and then a lower set. They call these ranges. So this is a test for ranges, as you would see it in Zybook, or as a step discount. So that concludes our brief demonstration.